All right, I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick vinaigrette with whatever you have. So usually I use Dijon mustard, but I ran out, so we're just using your basic yellow mustard today. And on my shelf I have some Manuka honey. So we have about a tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, just because I like my vinaigrette nice and sweet. We're going to give that a nice little mix up, kind of get it mixed, kind of nice and smooth, yellowy paste. There we go, nice and smooth. And then the next part is our vinegar, which is any acid. You can use lemon, lime, orange, all of it, any vinegar you have. So today we're using a 1/4 cup vinegar. We're gonna get that all nice and smooth. We're just going simple today, but you can always zhuzh up your vinaigrette with a little shallot or garlic. And then traditionally, most vinaigrettes are made with 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar or acid. So we're doing a 1/4 cup, which means we need 3/4 cup of oil. A lot of people like to use just olive oil, but I like to do a blend of olive oil and grapeseed, or olive oil and avocado, just something really nice and neutral, because olive oil can be a little overpowering. So what we're going to be doing, you're going to get a tilt on the bowl, and then we're going to be whisking back and forth, back and forth. We're really wanting to incorporate air while we're adding in our oil. So it's going to be a little bit hard for me, but we're going to add a drop at a time. So you're going to be whisking and a little bit, and you want to emulsify. Get it whisk in there. You don't really want to see anything floating on top. Do a little pause, a little drop. Just want to make sure that everything's getting incorporated and you're really getting all that air in there, almost like making whipped cream. A little bit more. Also, if you don't feel like getting an arm workout, you can also do this in the blender. Save you a little bit of time and a little bit of a workout, but I say free workout. See, it's looking nice and smooth. We really don't want it to look like 2 separate liquids. We want it to look like one. Nice and viscous. A little bit more. See, not really anything sitting on top. Looks nice and smooth. Keep adding. And dependent on your flavor profile, you can go a little less on the oil if you like a little more zing. All right, we're almost there. Boom. Get that last bit in. And you notice it's thickened up now that we've added in all that fat. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So now, before we put it on anything, we're just going to season it up with a little salt and pepper, which is right here. You want to season it very well with your salt and pepper. Also, I'm thinking today I have lots of spices, so I'm going to add a little herbes de Provence. So what that is a little thyme, rosemary, there's some lavender in there, adds a nice floral note. There's also some fennel, which is like my favorite thing. We're going to whisk that in there, give it a taste, see if it needs any more salt, and we should be good to go. Little more salt, you know us. This is beautiful. All right, now we're gonna check it out in our container here. Check it out. Beautiful. One color, nothing is split. There we go. Nice and smooth. It'll last for up to a couple weeks without splitting. You should be good to go. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe.